do you have any plan to go back to taking away of vehicle? Because several times it leads to congestion at several places. So if you highly consider it, this will help a lot.
Thank you very much for your question and also your interest. Yes, we do consider those kind of steps because earlier how people used to park the vehicles right in the middle of the road, or maybe even roads which were not supposed to have been parked, no parking areas. So they were lifted physically by the team, and that for some reason we stopped it, and we were also discussing about it to reintroduce that in selected areas, not everywhere, but in selected areas. Yes, we do consider that.